Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll be setting our development environment for Python using Visual Studio Code. So let's make sure that you have Python installed. Go to your web browser and type python.org. And then from downloads, you can download the latest version of Python, that is 3.31. Then download from it, you can run the exe file. Make sure to check the box that says add Python to the path. This allows to run Python command from your command prompt. Now check all boxes and click on install. Now let's install VS Code. Go to code.visualstudio.com and download the installer. Once you have installed VS Code, you can go and create new folder. Now you can open this folder in VS Code by using command prompt. You can write code space dot and it will open in VS Code. Now you can search for Python in extension panel. Now this is Python extension. I have already installed it. You can install it. You can read the documentation here. This extension provides features like code completion, debugging, now let's create a new file. Let us name it as hello.py extension, and we are going to write our first code. Let's print hello world. To run this code, we can directly press the run keyword, the run button here, the right side. This is a simple line of code that uses print function to display the text hello world. Congratulations, you have written and executed your first Python program. You can also run using terminal. You can write the file name here, python space hello world.py, and it will run.